for another awesome hair tutorial. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Today, I'm doing another hair video. So I did promise you this would be next, right? So we are going to be doing lots more hair videos on my channel. That's what we're gonna focus on because that's what you guys like. So I'm gonna give you what you like. So we are doing some awesome, amazing colors today that I've never done before. Well, one of them. Okay. We're also going to be trying a method of putting it on that I've also not done before on my channel. And we're just gonna go with things and see how it turns out. Alrighty, so let's go over everything that you have to do and what I'm using to get this done.
To start out, of course, you're going to need gloves so you don't stain your hands. And then next you're going to need bowls for each color you're using along with a good brush. And for the colors I'm using, of course, Arctic Fox, we have Purple Rain, we have Iris Green, and we have Neon Moon. And then of course you're going to need a white conditioner for dilution purposes to get that lighter color, and any brand will work. So let's go ahead and get this all mixed.
Now that we have our mixtures ready to go, let's go ahead and get this on my head and section it off and do this. The very first thing I need to do is change into a crappy shirt that I don't care about. Alrighty, so now that that's on, I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. And also, if you're not starting out with this light color of hair, if you want to see how to remove hair color without bleach, check out my last hair video right up there in the iCards or at the end of this video so you can watch how to do that. So basically the technique that I will be doing, I'm going to do a layering method, which like I said, I have not done on my channel. So we're going to do the green, the purple, the green, and then the purple on top with also some green in the front sections as well. So let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, we are done. Now I get to wait for this to be done and rinse it out. So I am going to put my handy dandy bag on top of my head. I'm going to let it set. The instructions say 45 minutes. I know it's a conditioner based hair. Really, it's like a hair mask. It's not going to damage it. You could really leave it on all night if you want. It's not going to hurt, but I am going to leave it on for about an hour, and then I will rinse it out. No shampoo, no conditioner, just straight up rinse it out. I'll be back again and do it with cold water. Always rinse colors like this with cold water. You want to keep it in as long as possible there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you guys back with the final result. Well, hello. This this is the result. I also crimped it. I braided. Okay, so this is the next morning. I braided it. I did little braids because I was like, okay, I'm gonna be a witch for Halloween. Let me do the crimpy hair thing, and I don't have a crimper. Let's braid it. This is how that turned out. Don't do that. Really not a fan. It's very pinky purpley. Purple Rain did not do me good. I'm not going to be using that again by itself. It can alter other colors, but not by itself. This is what you get, and it's not pretty. I mean, it is, but it's not what I'm going for. I like the more neutral, actual, like purples, not the violet purple. I definitely look like a character out of Batman, maybe the Joker's sister. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be super quick. I know you've already watched this whole video and you're like, what the hell is going on? So we're gonna just extend it just a little bit. We're gonna try and correct this. So basically what I did is I did some strands, okay? I did some samples here. And to neutralize, if you look at the color wheel right here, you can see that this color is opposite of the green, that this color, like more like a neon yellow green. So if I put that on top, which is this, it neutralizes this color and will hopefully it will look, this is the sample, it will look more of an actual purple. And then I decided, since the green didn't show up super great, it kind of fades out and it's pretty by itself, which we may have to do a green moment by itself, but I'm gonna put blue Aquamarine over top of the green. So now it's gonna be more of a purple and blue. So we're gonna do this again. I'm not gonna go through like super detailed process. I just wanna get this done and show you the results because I know that's what you want to see. So I'm gonna do my mixtures and I'll be right back to show you what they look like and all that stuff. Okay, so I realized I didn't show you the back of my hair and I'm really sorry about that. You're gonna see the final result of this one, which is gonna be way better. But with our colors, this is literally the same color that I used with this. I just put a little bit more of the Neon Moon in it, like I had saved it because I had a lot left over, so this is that color. And then for this one, I just used Arctic Fox, again, Aquamarine, with again, the white conditioner. And that is what you get on this, and that is going over the green. So now we have blue and green. So let's see how this turns out. Alrighty, so, alright, we have the color on. It looks good. It looks like it's hopefully gonna turn out good. I definitely have some green streaks in the purple, but I think maybe that'll just add more texture, more color and beautifulness to it, right? All right, so we are going to see how this goes. Again, I am just going to leave it on my head for like another 45 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna rinse it, because I got places to be and things to do and gotta get ready. So this has gotta get done. I'll see you back with the final result. Alright guys, this is the final result. What do you think? It kind of looks like a wig, but I swear this is my hair. But yeah, so the color correction thing, using the color wheel worked perfectly. So of course the green over the blue and the green, hold on. Yeah, the blue over the green and the green over the purple. You would not know that I put green over top of that bright ass violet color and we got this beautiful purple. So if you ever want to get rid of those violet tones, use a green, a lime green. So anyway, this is what it looks like, and this is also my sad attempt at curling. So let's take a look. Montage. Like the video. I freaking love the color. I love how it turned out. No, I'm not a fan of the Charlotte Hornets, but I like the colors, so we're gonna go with this for now. So make sure you stay tuned. I will be using my method for removing color without bleach, the baking soda one, when I'm ready to remove this, and then we'll be moving on to the next color. As always, so stay tuned. Check that video out if you haven't already seen it. It will be linked in the iCards or at the end of this video. Also, stay tuned and check out my hair playlist for more awesome videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, you like how it turned out. Leave me a comment if you have any questions below. I'm always there to help, even though I'm not a professional. I just have years of doing this. But yeah, also if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.